Okay, I'd like to welcome you to this research center. First of all, we have this kind of the recycling plastic. The recycling plastic in our countries, in Africa, and in many of the big cities is the big problem. For us to have the environmental conservation, we have to recycle this kind of the plastic. And if we recycle this, we can now recycle it and make the new structure. And the new structure, we can make this new structure as you see this way, after we have recycled, and we can make this kind of the structure. It is like the greenhouse, whereby we can use to build, we can use to have the solar energy, we can use to have water for the production of food. This one will help us in the future for us to conserve the environment, to recycle this plastic and have this kind of the structure, which will lead us to do more agriculture and horticultural products, if at all we can use this recycling plastic. And then from there, we can now go to what I have in my idea is about having the technical schools in Africa. Because having technical skills for the youth in Africa, it's one of the major problems. If we construct the technical schools, then we can have the youth who knows on how they can make this kind of the structure for their future benefit. We can have the metalwork, carpentry, and mechanics for these schools of the technical schools, which we are intending to have it in Kenya. It will help the youth to self-employ themselves and to better for their living standard in near future. The third point is about the mission of the food security in Africa, more especially in Africa, part of Africa, whereby many children are dying of hunger, not even children, even the animals. So what we are intending to have this kind of the structure from this research center. If we have this kind of structure, we have the water system and we have the energy, the solar energy. And then from there, we can have the security of food production. We can produce our own food, and this food, we can have the food from our field. It's not like this one, but we can have the food which is fresh from our garden, fresh from our greenhouse. This one will help us to reduce the hunger and improve the living standard of people. I would like to give thanks to the Research Center, Kulsulaf, for these great technical skills I have been given in this research center. Thank you.
Grazie.
Thank you.